The number one thing is I can sleep at night with no pain. That's incredible. I've had pain in my shoulder, my neck, and my knees pretty much my whole life as a dairy farmer. And we quit milking cows 10 years ago, and I was still living with all that pain. The pain that I had in my shoulder was for a long time, everything was what they call frozen. They go, it's frozen, it's frozen, it's frozen. And nobody could get it taken care of. I was having problems at night going up and getting down my stairs in my house. I have a 2-story home, and I had a lot of problems with that. And I was contemplating how many more years I'd be able to stay in my home, and that I had to get everything on one floor. One of the things that I was afraid of was having surgery done, because I've known people that have had the knee surgery done. Some of them were very successful, but other ones ended up getting infection. Some of the people ended up having heart problems after a while with all the infection from it. So I didn't want to deal with that. When I first heard about the laser, the thing was, is this going to work? I was hoping that at least it would help one of the 3 things, in knee, shoulder, neck, and it hit all of them. You know, the benefits has been just absolutely incredible. And now that pain is gone. I can go up and down my stairs without any pain. The level of pain that I used to have in my shoulder was like a 10, especially at night when you slept and it woke you up. My knees were about an 8. My shoulder is a 0 now, and my knees are usually about a 1 or a 2, depending upon how Mother Nature runs her weather. If it's going to snow out, I can tell you it's going to snow. I can tell you when it's going to rain. Just the things my dad used to talk about. People have asked me about how much it costs. The biggest thing I tell them is, you want to live in pain the rest of your life. And I says, put a dollar amount on not sleeping at night, not feeling good at night, and having a miserable life. You don't have to have it that way. I definitely believe that that was the best thing that I ever did in my life, and I would do it again.